Guys, in this video, we will be learning what is advanced indexing with Numpy array in Python. In the previous video, we have seen how we can access one-dimensional, two-dimensional, three-dimensional array by passing integer as an index, right? If you see, this is normal ND array, and we have locate one element passing this integer index into this array, and this was the output. Okay, this is a normal array indexing, but with advanced indexing we will see how we can get the element from nd array by passing nd array as an index. Okay, we will cover these points: what is array as an index, what is integer indexing, and boolean indexing. What is array as an index? Indexing can be done in NumPy by using an array as an index. In case of slice, shallow copy of array is written, but in index array, a copy of original array is returned. In order to use NumPy library, we have to install it first. If it is not there on the machine, you have to type in command on the command prompt, that is pip install NumPy. After installing NumPy, we can import it easily. Import NumPy. Let's create simple ND array. np.arrange will be using this time. We'll be starting from, let's say, 10 to 2 step. Okay, it will start from 10, it will stop at 2. Okay, and then we will try to print. If you're in the program, so you will get 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3. It will stop at 2, right? If we want to pass on array as an index to get element from array, another array, if you get the element from array 1, passing the nd array as an index, so you will say array will be using, and in array function we'll be passing some indexes 1 comma 3 comma 5. Okay, these are our indexes, okay, which we want to pass on with this array, and then we will get the element from array 1. If you're in the program again, so you will get the item 975. So we are saying 1 3 and 5, 0 1 9 is there, 2 3 7, and then 5 4 5, the 5. Okay, so we can pass on array as an index to get element from ND array. We can also pass negative indexing with this array 4. So you will get -4 index also. -1, -2, -3, -4. So you will get 6, right? Now let's see what is integer indexing. Advanced indexing returns a copy of data rather than a view of it, right? Advanced indexing basically is of two type, integer and boolean, right? Integer and boolean. Okay. When integer are used for indexing, each element of first dimension is paired with the element of second dimension, right? If I have new array which is two-dimensional array, and if I want to get which dimension of array this is, and dim first, see, it is two-dimensional array. Okay, I want 0, and then I want 1, and then 2. This is for row, and this would be for columns. Okay, what are those? Let's say 0 0 and 1. If I print it, so you will get 136. Okay, let me print array 2 also. Okay, so this is my final array, two-dimensional array, and you are getting 136 means 0 row, and the column would be 0, right? So then this value is now coming first row, that is first row, 0 1, that is first row, and then item is 0, it means 3. In this column, the column is 0, we are getting 3. Then row number is 2, 0 1 2, the row number is 2, and we are getting column number 1, 0 and 1, we are getting 6. Okay, so this is how the array as an index works with ND array. Okay, here we have row, here we have column indexing. Okay, Okay, let me take another example. Let me take another array, right? And then we will be reshaping this array, this 15 elements into the row and columns. Okay, array 3 and the type of array 3. Let's run the program. What will be the outcome? The outcome will be it's a ND array, right? And it is 3 row 5 columns. You could see we have arranged 15 elements and 50 elements converted into the shape 3 into 5. Okay, so this is the output. Now we want to replicate the same thing. Let me take again np dot array. Okay, this will return again ND array passing. Then I'm passing the column. Okay, again np dot array. Now we are passing the columns indexes in form of ND arrays, right? So that would be 1, 0 and 2. Okay, array 3 is this. Okay, let's in the program. So you will see 11, 0, 7, which means second row 0, 1, 2, first column 0, 1, that is the column. So 11 is printed, 0 row, 0 row, 0 column, 0 column. So 0 value is printed, 1 row, 0, 1, this row, and the column is 2. 0, 1, 2. So this is the column. So 7 is printed. Okay, it is clear now. This is a integer indexing if you say. Okay. Now let's see what is Boolean indexing. It's a part of advanced indexing. So the indexing has some Boolean expression as the index. Let's say we have some array 4. Okay. So this is the array. It's a one-dimensional array. If we want to filter out this array element on basis of some condition, an array 4, I'll be checking whether any element is greater than 10. Okay, so this is 540, and if we let's say take greater than 15, if we say, so you will get greater than 50 items. Okay, would be there. We want to apply any condition, array 4 percentile 2 equals to 0, then you will get the output as per this condition. Okay, it will return true, false, and then it will give us the element, right? We can also get the power of the elements, which elements we are getting, give us the power of these elements, so you are getting the power of this element. So this is how Boolean indexing works with ND arrays in Numpy. Okay, you can also apply this condition and get the another ND array with true or false value, right? How? If you want to take another array, array 5, and you want array 4 should be check whether it is 10, and then if you want to print array 5, it will give you the value in form of boolean true or false, right? So you are getting false, true, 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 means the first element has not satisfies the condition, that's why it returned false, and other rest element satisfied the condition which is greater than 10, it gives true, 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 right? That way it works. So these are advanced indexing concepts with NumPy array. Okay, we have seen what is array as an index, we can how we can use it, what is integer indexing, what is boolean indexing. Okay, that brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.